Good morning, I'm Keith Hagee. I'm the paving product manager for Astec Industries, and I'm here to introduce our latest additions to our paving line, the new 195F and 175F track pavers. As you can see, the first thing you see is our new design. We've definitely taken our known function and upgraded to add a lot more form and focus on form. So we made a major redesign from the hopper back to all the way through the operator station. So you'll see a new hood, you'll see new doors, integrating new composite materials for lighter weight doors, lighter weight hoods, and just improving the overall flow of the design. With the redesign of our cooling system, we've moved our cooling system to the top of the dual fan system. So now we've improved our cooling efficiency by bringing the airflow through both sides and out through the front, towards the hopper of the machine. So we're directing the airflow as well as our exhaust and our fumex all out towards the front, towards the hopper. So diverting that away from the operator and away from the side crew and from the ground crew was key to noise reduction, as well as a major improvement to our cooling efficiency. Also, our high visibility, as you can see from our machines, we have total visibility for operators. So it's a huge, maintaining that visibility is a key for safety, as well as communication all around. We've also done a ground-up transformation from our undercarriage. So we've improved our track systems. You'll see a great improvement with our performance as well as our quality with our new track design system. So we listen to our customers and our dealers, and looking for what they look for improvements. But we also look for what they don't want to change. We're known for unprecedented, unparalleled production quality and material handling, as well as our screeds. Our Carlson screeds are the best in the industry. They have the best mats. And so customers don't touch the material flow, don't touch your screed quality. As I mentioned, with our major improvement to noise reduction was relocation of our generator. So moving that into the engine area, the engine compartment, as well as moving the cooling system to the top, we've opened up the whole area for serviceability and access. So you see it now. Your team's going to really enjoy a lot more access, easy to get in, easy to check and do your daily maintenance and do your filter checks and changes. So it's a major improvement along the way. Astec's been known really for our function. We have great throughput, great material flow, great screeds. What we've not necessarily been known for is our design, our form. So we wanted to really upgrade ourselves and bring it up to what our customers are demanding. When our customers say they want improvements, they want better customer experience, and a lot of that involves design. So we want to we focused on function. We've done great at that. Now it's time to focus on the form.